The Great Escape, Dino and Monster Family adventure characters, T-Rex Timmy, a young, brave T-Rex who loves adventures, Gigi Godzilla, the playful daughter of the Godzilla family. With a heart as big as her roar, Maggie Mammoth, a wise and gentle woolly mammoth who's always looking out for others. Oscar the Owl, the forest's clever and watchful guardian, forest animals. A diverse group of animals including deer, rabbits, bears, and birds. The zookeeper, the well-meaning but bumbling human who accidentally set the dinos and monsters free. Setting. The story takes place in a large, magical forest on the edge of a bustling city. The forest is home to many animals, as well as a hidden area where some of the world's last dinosaurs and mythical creatures, like the Godzilla family, live in secret. Story. One sunny morning. Deep in the magical forest near a bustling city, the animals were going about their day as usual. Birds were chirping, rabbits were hopping, and the deer were grazing peacefully. But this peaceful day was about to be turned upside down. At the edge of the forest, there was a small, secretive zoo that housed some of the rarest creatures ever known, dinosaurs and even a family of Godzillas. These mighty creatures had been kept in the zoo for years, away from the prying eyes of the world. However, they longed for the freedom of the wild, especially young T-Rex Timmy and Gigi Godzilla, who dreamt of exploring the forest and making new friends. One day, while the zookeeper was doing his usual rounds, he accidentally left the gate to the dino and monster enclosures unlocked. T-Rex Timmy, always the curious one, nudged the gate with his nose and it swung open. His eyes widened with excitement. Gigi, Maggie, the gate is open. We're free. Gigi Godzilla, who was napping in the sun, jumped up excitedly. Let's go. We can finally see what's beyond the fence. Maggie Mammoth, the wisest of the group, was a bit more cautious. We should be careful. The forest is beautiful, but it's not our home. We need to make sure we don't cause any trouble. Despite Maggie's warning, the group couldn't resist the temptation of freedom. They tiptoed out of the zoo and into the magical forest, their eyes wide with wonder at the tall trees, colorful flowers, and the sounds of the wild. But as they wandered deeper into the forest, the local animals began to notice the newcomers. Oscar the Owl, who watched over the forest from the treetops, spotted them first. He flew down to warn the other animals. Everyone, gather around. There are strange, giant creatures in our forest. We must be careful. The forest animals were initially frightened. They had never seen such Timmy, Gigi, Maggie, you need to come back to the zoo. The zookeeper called out, but the creatures didn't want to leave their new friends. The forest animals, now understanding how much Timmy, Gigi, and Maggie cared for them, came together to help. Oscar flew up to the zookeeper and explained everything. These creatures have found a new home here, where they can live freely and help protect the forest. They belong here now. The zookeeper, seeing how happy and peaceful the creatures were, realized that they were better off in the wild, where they could be free and live among friends. I suppose you're right, he said with a sigh. But we'll need to make sure they stay safe. The forest animals and the zookeeper worked together to create a safe haven within the forest for Timmy, Gigi, Maggie, and the other creatures. They built strong shelters, created hidden paths, and made sure there was plenty of food and water. From that day on, Timmy, Gigi, and Maggie lived happily in the forest, helping the animals and learning more about the world around them. They had found not just freedom, but also a new family among the creatures of the forest, and every night, as the moon rose over the trees, the forest would echo with the sounds of their happy roars and trumpets, a reminder that even the biggest creatures can find their place in the world, as long as they have friends to guide them.